Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and through this video I would like to show you the way how to hide the sheets on your mobile spreadsheets documents by iOS or iPhone. So working with Google Sheet will give you a support by adding a lot of sheets to work in one document, so you will not gonna separate every data on your work. You just need to open one document and you can just add the sheets on that document. So you can see here I got a lot of sheets down here, so working with a lot of sheets also will be make you confusing since the sheets on your document is quite much. So you can hide several documents or several sheets to make you work easier and efficient. So let's say I rarely to use the sheets one here, so we can hide it by go click the sheets, and after that go click hide, and those sheets will be hidden. So if you need to hide the second sheets too, you just need to do the same. Go click the sheets here and go click hide, and the sheets will be hidden. So that is the way, guys, how to hide sheets on a Google Sheets document. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. So don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel, and I will see you for the next video.